Hi everybody, it's Claire. If you're new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I do apologise for the lighting. It's a very wet and miserable day here in Bristol. I've got some wonderful new supplies that I want to share with you. Now I've gone ahead taken photos and then after this I'm going to put them on the website. Not long now to Halloween. These are some Halloween treat buckets I'm making up for my great nieces and nephew. Me and my mum are putting together things for them. Everything will be available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. Some recent questions. No, I don't send your orders from China. Everything I have for sale is in stock. I'm not a drop shipper. Let me show you these lovely beads that I've got. I've got Christmas beads. These are 8mm pearl beads, baked painted pearl beads. Always popular. I've also done a 4mm mix. Now with the 8mm, this is the traditional Christmas colours, but I do have them individual as well. I do have those colours individually, and obviously there's other beads you can mix and match. I've got some imitation. These are 6mm imitation jade beads. Now these are acrylic gradient pearl beads. £6mm. They've actually got a 2mm hole on those, so they're quite good for using thicker cord. Oh, we have Buddhas. I have some lovely Buddhas. These are a solid silver. I don't mean they're sterling silver, but they're not hollow. These I thought would be great teamed up with lava beads. I've got lava beads with holes in, so I thought that will make great bracelets. I've got lots of bling beads to go on. See those? Lots of bling. I love these. These are my favourite. These are my favourite. Obviously they're in the packet and not under the light, but I've never had these. I've never had these before. And these are acrylic 10mm berry gradient beads. There are some white ones in there as well. These originated USA. Bead mixes. My blue pearl bead mix was very popular. Once I've been asked if I could make different colours. So I was here at 2 o'clock last night. I was here at 2 o'clock, 2 AM this morning, sat on the floor. Oh, I'm getting so old. You should see me trying to get up. You should see me trying to get up afterwards. Oh, my legs were dead. My legs were dead. But anyway, these are the new 6mm bead mix, and in here we've got pearl beads, crackle beads, plain glass beads. There's all sorts of different beads. I've also made a pink. You'll see there's a couple that look like they're purple. That's purely down to 2 AM and the lighting, but it is what it is. There are some clear ones in there as well, just to mix it up. That was intentional. I've done a purple. I like this one. I do like this one. Those are the purple. I've done a green and yellow. Lovely for spring. I need to get names for these. I think I'm going to call that Spring Awakening. Look at the colours. Look at the colours on. Oh my word. Oh my word. Guys, look at the colours on these. Woo, look at the colours on those. Aren't they? Actually, they're the same type of bead as my bracelet. They're frosted. Frosted 6mm. I always say, you know, you've got to make your creations stand out from the crowd. Make your creations stand out from the crowd. So, woo, Mardi Gras. Did I ask you how you're doing today? Did I ask you all how you were doing? I think I did. I usually do. If I haven't, how are you all? Please let me know in the comments below. It's like a very light, it's like a lilac. I get moonstone vibes with this. Oh, I do have a red mix as well, but silly me didn't order red. I didn't order enough red, so I don't know if you can see. That's what I've got. These are what I've got so far, and it's going to be a red stroke orange mix. I've had to order some more pearl beads, but they'll be with me this week. No, it's not beads, but look at this necklace. I absolutely love this necklace, and it's like a memory necklace because I'm trying to get one for a cat. Cleaned it up with a stainless steel, but that's gonna be for a memorial range. These are a different pink. I know they look the same, but those are a different pink. We have blue. There we have blue. And I got black. I got frosted black. Can you remember I was showing you the crows that I bought? The crow charms. I made those crow earrings. Those crows are sold so well. They're silver enamel crow charms. So I think I'm going to get some more crow charms and more black beads. You know me with crows and my friendly crows I have here. My never-ending projects. I've been and bought myself. I've bought some beading thread. For me to send these, they would have to go as a small parcel because of the size. But I've got these for me. They're 0.35, 0.4 and 0.45. Yeah, 0.45. There is so much new stock. Go and check it out. If you go to the website, put on new in, these will come up. I will do a tutorial with the lava beads and the Buddhas. Lava beads are great for adding essential oils. For me personally, for anxiety, very good. I do still have lots of Halloween beads, so I'm going to be busy listing all these lovely new beads for you. If you've placed orders on my website, thank you so much. I really appreciate your orders. I do send to USA as well, and actually I had 4 orders yesterday that went to Glasgow. Apart from one lady that is on here, I don't know, are you getting into, maybe you're getting together in a crafting group or something. 4 orders to Glasgow. If you have got this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember to please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. Lots of you are subscribing, not clicking on the notification bell. You don't see the videos. Lots of people are saying, I have not seen a video from you for a long time. They are there. So just click on that notification bell. I don't spam you. And if you can leave a comment, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction and share the videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and as always, happy crafting. Goodbye everyone.